So I'm sure by now you've heard the saying, if it was a snake, it would have bit you. Now, when I think about that from a trading perspective, most traders blow their account because of what's right in front of them that they cannot see. And truthfully, it's the why behind the biggest moves in the market. So do you want to know that one habit that changed everything for me? Make sure you stick around and watch this entire video. And I promise you, this is going to change your life. So as a Forex trader, we go into the markets looking to make the most amount of money that we can. And oftentimes we have to learn to reverse engineer what happened in the market. We have to focus on asking why things happen in the market. So just like today, the markets are closed and we have a whole lot of time on our hands to analyze the charts, to perfect our craft, to realize any mistakes that we may have made on the market, the what, the when, the how, the why. We just have to utilize our time wisely. And you see, a part of that time that I take to analyze the charts, I'm always looking at the moves that took place the previous week. And I'm always zeroing in on those big moves. And I'm always asking myself, well, why did it happen there? Maybe it was the news. Maybe it was because of a level, whatever it may be. I'm always asking why. I'm just an inquisitive person by nature. And you see, that has really helped me perform much better in the market. Taking my time to go back and analyze those big moves and asking why, it has been a true game changer for me. And it doesn't matter what chart that I'm on. I'm going to always look to see, why did this move happen here? I need to know why it happened so that in the event it returns back to that place, I know exactly what to do. And you see, most traders, they blow their account because they miss what's right in front of them. With all the traders in the world trading on the market, the clues and the answers are sitting right there in front of us. But most traders, they overlook them. Now, going back in time to see the biggest moves, it has uncovered hidden secrets in the market, hidden patterns in the market that most people don't even see, don't even know exist. Now, this habit not only strengthened my ability to trade, but also put me miles ahead of traders who have never thought of this, who just simply rely on guesswork. So I'm going to show you guys an example of this right in the charts. Let's get to it. So if you guys notice, this is the GBP NZD. Most of you should know that I have been a fan of this pair for many years. I've done very well trading this pair. I'm going to mark up this chart quickly, and I want to show you guys something. So I remember back in 2015, I traded this market, not the entire run up, but most of this move to the upside. All right. Now this candle right here was the Greek bailout. All right. And what had happened was news that came out that wasn't quite well. It shot up and it pulled back. And following that move, it pulled back to normalcy. Okay. And following that move, the market pretty much chopped around and went sideways here for many days. Okay. And I remember while I made great money on this, I had pulled out a lot of money from this trade, going up, pulling back, because I knew that this was just the news and it would pull back to normalcy. I took a great wad of cash out of the market here. I did take some losses up in this area, but then this is what actually came to me. I realized that they sent this market up here for a reason. And when I went to investigate why this had happened, actually what happened was I had this here. This is what had happened. I went back to investigate this, and this is what I found. Okay, so remember, this is where I got in originally. Okay, and I saw this market bouncing here, and I knew this market was going to go up. But after a few months of riding the market up, it was like 3-4 months, maybe 5 months. This market went up to here, pulled back. Okay, and let me show you what was revealed to me. Okay, this market had run to a major pivotal zone here. Okay, it ran to a pivotal zone here. Okay, and I knew, based on my understanding or overstanding of support and resistance, I knew that this was a sign that this market was no longer going to go up. All right, and it wasn't until after I took a few L's that I realized, you know what, this market came up to here, I pulled some money out, and then it fell into consolidation. And when I put two and two together, I realized, oh, this market is not going down. And that's when I quickly, switched up my idea of this market. My bias of this market was now it was going to go down. And shortly after, I got into a trade going down, and I rode this market all the way down, nearly 8,000 pips in one direction. All right. And I mean, this is fantastic. And you're talking about even the Brexit. I even ate up the market on this day, all in one day. It was just crazy. So, you know, when you start to go back and you start to ask why certain things happen, and you see that certain things happen from great levels in the market, it's going to unveil what they're really doing. You're going to have that aha moment. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. So now that I've revealed to you the one habit that I've used to help me find success in the market, if you're tired of trading without clarity and you're tired of blowing account after account, this one habit could be your breakthrough moment. And when you're ready to take things to the next level, make sure you join the US 30 Assassins Club. To be sure you get access to my LCS strategy, which is comprised of 12 predetermined areas in the market that I have my students focus on, where some of the biggest moves take place. And you'll also be able to join my private US 30 Telegram group, where I'm actually guiding my students in real time to trading success. All right, so just I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. Let's always remember to remain and stay creative during the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.